At IG, we understand that traders can work around their natural emotional responses to achieve better trading outcomes. That's why we offer a dedicated, interactive trading psychology tool to help you better understand your impulses when trading. Mastering your own psychology is the best way to ensure you trade on your own terms. Our trading psychology tool allows you to explore psychological factors related to your emotions and mood when you trade, personality factors unique to you, behavioral biases all humans fall victim to, and social pressures. Boredom can drive you to ignore your trading plan in search of some action, just like fear can prevent you from taking a trade that meets all your entry criteria. Great personality traits like confidence and decisiveness can work against you when you trade, even though they serve you outside of trading. A healthy competitive spirit combined with a well-timed news report could drive you to open a trade you would otherwise not have considered. We are all subject to behavioral biases. These biases are adaptive and help us navigate the world, but they can be dangerous to your trading. Getting to know yourself is a great way to improve your trading. Find a link to IG's trading psychology tool in the description.